Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru. Many beginners know that temperature transmitters are used in industries, but still ask one simple question. What does a temperature transmitter actually do? In this video, I'll explain the exact job of a temperature transmitter step by step in very simple words with real industrial examples. Let's start. The problem without a transmitter. First, let's understand the problem. Temperature sensors like RTD and thermocouple do not give usable signals directly. RTD only changes resistance. Thermocouple only produces millivolts. These signals are very weak, affected by noise, not suitable for long cable distance. PLC, DCS, or displays cannot reliably read these raw signals. The main job of a temperature transmitter. A temperature transmitter acts as a signal conditioner and signal converter. Its main jobs are: read the raw signal from the sensor, convert it into a standard signal like 4 to 20 mA, amplify the signal, remove electrical noise, send the signal over long distance, make temperature readable by PLC or indicator. In simple words, sensor senses temperature, transmitter makes it usable. Step-by-step working. Let's understand the working in steps. First, temperature changes in the process. Second, RTD or thermocouple senses the temperature. Third, sensor sends raw signal to transmitter. Fourth, transmitter processes and linearizes the signal. Fifth, output is converted to 4 to 20 milliampere. Sixth, PLC or display reads the signal. Seventh, actual temperature is shown on screen. So the transmitter works like a translator between the sensor and the control system. Simple example. A temperature transmitter range is 0 to 200 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius, output is equal to 4 milliampere. At 100 degrees Celsius, output is equal to 12 milliampere. At 200 degrees Celsius, output is equal to 20 milliampere. This 4 to 20 milliampere signal can travel hundreds of meters without error. The PLC converts this signal back into temperature. Extra things a transmitter does. Apart from conversion, modern temperature transmitters also do: sensor fault detection, open short circuit detection, cold junction compensation for thermocouples, accuracy improvement, digital communication, HART, Modbus, diagnostics and health monitoring. So a transmitter does much more than just sending temperature. Where temperature transmitters are used. Temperature transmitters are used in almost every industry: boilers and furnaces, chemical reactors, pharma and food plants, oil and gas industries, power plants, HVAC systems, water treatment plants. Anywhere temperature must be controlled, a transmitter is used. Simple summary. In very simple words, sensor measures temperature, transmitter converts, protects, and sends the signal. Without transmitter, measurement is unstable. With transmitter, measurement is accurate and reliable. That's what a temperature transmitter actually does. If you are a beginner in instrumentation, this is one of the most important concepts to understand. For more easy explanations on RTD, thermocouple, and transmitters, subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru. Thanks for watching.